Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming really soon with legendary brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor, and this is what CEO of Xiaomi Li Jun has confirmed by himself. Today we've got the full specs sheet and we've already seen the first look of Xiaomi Mi 11, but if you haven't, then here it is. This is a poster which was leaked a couple of days ago and it looks so legit. But now we also do have some live images of Mi 11, even you can say hands-on, but not sure if this dude is holding Mi 11 or any other device. By the way, you might be familiar with the design of Mi 11. It is having this square-shaped triple camera setup this time, not 4 or that penta camera setup that is actually a trend nowadays. Actually, Xiaomi is focusing on the real performance of cameras, not on just numbers. Well, couple of days ago, Qualcomm announced their brand new and the most powerful Android chipset, the one and only Snapdragon 888 5G CPU. This is currently the most powerful processor for Androids, and soon we will see this CPU in action in Mi 11 series, which is about to launch really soon, maybe in a few days, because Xiaomi has started posting its teasers. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 is having the all-new Adreno 660 GPU, which is 35% more faster in performance than previous Adreno 650. This Snapdragon 888 has most of its focus on gaming and camera performance. Snapdragon 888 is providing very fast image processing with 120 captures in 1 second. We also have the leaked benchmark scores of this Snapdragon 888, and it is most likely to be of Mi 11, which is 8,47,868. That's great. Now coming towards the specs we know so far, then both Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro are coming with quad curved Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED displays with 2K resolution, 120 watts of fast charging in Mi 11 Pro and 50 watts in Mi 11. Battery capacity might be 4780 milliamps for Mi 11 and 4500 milliamps for Mi 11 Pro. There will be 108 megapixel primary lens on Mi 11 Pro while 50 megapixel sensor on Mi 11. With help of Snapdragon 888, now these cameras will be able to record 4K videos at 120 FPS. That is actually a huge jump. Mi 11 with Snapdragon 888 5G and Mi 11 Pro obviously with Snapdragon 888 plus 5G CPU is coming. All in all, Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro are going to be the really powerful and best performing smartphones. We don't have any price hints for Mi 11 series, but this price hint on spec sheet doesn't look so legit. That's all for Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for upcoming smartphone news, and I'll see you in the next one.